Namaste friends, welcome to the channel Equity Educator where you learn how to make profit by investing wisely. My name is Yatin and will guide you to do profitable investment analysis. If you are new to the channel then like, share and subscribe the channel. This video is purely for educational and learning purpose, so do your own research before investing. You can make profit from stock market if you have patience and investing in fundamentally good companies. Penny stocks are not wealth creator but destroyer. So do not get trapped for such stocks. Let's start, and without wasting any more time, the healthcare stocks which have been corrected and at current level they are attractive. So I'll discuss five stocks which are attractive and one stock which is undervalued. First stock is Solora Active. Market capitalization is 3,413 crore. 52-week high low is 1860 and 910. EPS is 56.3. Dividend yield is 0.72. PE ratio is 16.9. Industry PE is 25.9. Debt to equity is zero point 0.5. PEG ratio is 0.75. PEG ratio is PE divided by the growth of the company, growth rate of the. So Solora Active is into the human API manufacturing. Earlier it was into animal API manufacturing, but then they have demerged the company. Now it is purely the human API company, and the company is growing post demerger and only focusing on the human API for better margins. It is a bulk manufacturer, hence margins were low earlier. Let's see company number two, which is Laurel's Lab. Laurel's Lab is Hyderabad-based company. Market capitalization is 28,386 crore. 52-week high and low is 724 and 334. Currently available at 530. EPS is 15.3. Dividend yield is 0.38%. PE is 34.6. Industry PE is 28.7. Debt to equity is 0.53. PEG ratio is 0.75. You can see this Solera and Laurel both have high debt. These are because these companies are doing acquisitions. Laurel's Lab is into the API manufacturing and also in generic formulation products. Hence, the margins for Laurel's Lab is very high. Both are global players. Let's see company number three, which is Gland Pharma. Gland Pharma is Hyderabad-based company, and they are into API manufacturing. However, their USP is injectables, which is having high margin. Market capitalization is 57,556 crore. 52-week high low is 4,350 and 2,081. Currently, it is available at 3,300 to 3,400 range. EPS is 72.4. Dividend yield is 0. PE is 48.6, industry PE is 20.2, debt to equity is 0, company is not having any debt, PEG is 1.86. Grand Pharma enjoys high margin because it is into very niche segment and it's a global and leading player in injectables. So if we invest today in this company, in 3 years time, we can have the amount 2x. Dr. Lal Pathlab. Dr. Lal Pathlab is into pathological services. It has various corporate and hospital tie-ups within the country, and they have one of the largest network in India. So market capitalization for Lal Pathlab is 25,638 crore. 52-week high low is 4,246 and 2162. Currently, it is available at 3100 range. So stock has corrected decently. EPS is 48.5, dividend yield is 0.64%, PE is 63.5, industry PE is 35.9, debt to equity is 0.03. You can say it to be a debt-free company. PEG ratio is 3.7. Let's see company number 5. This is Sanofi India. Sanofi India is into it is into R&D, clinical trials, pharmaceutical products, vaccines, specialty care, and it is also into generic drugs, which is approximately 70% of its total revenue. And since the brand name of Sanofi India and the products are so niche that it also enjoys better margins. 52-week high is 9,300 and low is 6,945, currently available at approx 7,100. So we have seen that it has also corrected a lot in recent fall. EPS is 424. You can just see it, 424. Dividend yield is 1.69%. PE is 28.4. Industry P is 25.9. Debt to equity is 0.02. So again, we can say that Sanofi India is a debt-free company. PEG ratio is 2.06, despite being such a large company. PEG ratio is still 2.06, which is very good. Let's see the undervalued stock, and any guess what it can be? Let's see what it is. It is Aurobindo Pharma, which is currently very undervalued, and this company has a lot of potential to do well because it is not a new company. It is one of the oldest company which was started pharmaceutical operations in India, started its business with the semi-synthetic penicillin, and now it is one of the leading API manufacturer and one of the leading generic manufacturer in the world. The vision for Aurobindo Pharma is to become the 25 largest pharma company around the world. So we can imagine how much growth potential it has. Recently, it has also done some capex, hence the return was not as expected on equity. However, if you see the EPS, it is a decent 89 rupees per share. So market capitalization is 38,883 crore. 52-week high low is 1,064 and 590. Currently available at 650. EPS is 89. Dividend yield is 0.6%. PE is 7.42. Industry PE is 25.9. Debt to equity is 0.2%. PEG ratio is 0.35. So these were the five under sales and profit growth performance over the last 5 years, and what is the current operating profit margin. So for Solora Active, as I said, the they are doing decent growth at 46%, and profit growth is 28%. However, margin is the least on these discussed companies, which is at 22%. For Lawless Lab, the average sales growth is 22%, and profit growth is 46%. OPM is operating profit margin is 29%. Gland Pharma, which has grown at 21%, profit at 26%, margin is 36%, highest among all these companies which we are discussing right now. Dr. Pathlab has increased growth, sales growth 15%, profit 17%, and margin at 30% currently. So because of this COVID and these development what has happened in India and globally, it is expected that now people are doing more and more uh, blood test and pathological tests. So the performance of such companies are expected to do much better in coming 5 to 6 years, because now people are becoming more health conscious and they are doing proactive test. Now, the last company is Sanofi India. The growth is sales growth is 6%. However, profit has grown 14% over last 5 years, right? And if you see the margin, it is currently maintaining a healthy 27% margin. Aurobindo Pharma growth is 13% for the last 5 years. Profit has grown at 21%, and margin is at 20. Let's see the return on capital employed and return on equity performance of these six companies. Solora Active is given a return of 16 and 17% respectively. However, Laurus Lab has given the highest return because of the aggressive management and talented management what Laurus Lab has, and it is also having the international presence. and have given a return of 38% and 42%. Gland Pharma has given 28% return on capital employed and 21% on return on equity. Dr. Pathlab has given 35% and 25% respectively. Sanofi has given 32 and 22% respectively. Aurobindo Pharma has given a return of 19% and 28%. So these were the stocks which I wanted to share with everyone. I have saved this slide in the link given in description box. You can download it for free for your learning and decision making. I will shortly cover stocks from all sectors which will get benefit from current budget and Indian policies, industry policies, and are fundamentally strong companies. Thanks friends for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel to get more such short analysis videos. We'll meet again on my next video. Thank you.